If you're an adrenaline junkie who loves the thrill of conquering challenging terrains, then you're in for a treat. In this video, we will be exploring 5 incredible electric mountain bikes that are taking the market by storm. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, these bikes will surely elevate your off-road adventures to new heights. So, let's jump right in and explore the top 5 electric mountain bikes. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. The Pelini EP3 Plus is a true powerhouse in the world of electric mountain bikes. With its robust design and cutting-edge technology, this bike is built to handle the toughest trails with ease. The EP3 Plus features a high-performance motor that delivers impressive speed and torque, allowing you to tackle steep inclines and rough terrain effortlessly. Its long-lasting battery ensures that you can enjoy longer rides without worrying about running out of power. The bike's suspension system provides excellent control and stability, making it a joy to ride on any terrain. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, the Pelini EP3 Plus is sure to exceed your expectations. The Pelini EP3 Plus comes equipped with a range of features designed to enhance your riding experience. Its advanced LCD display provides real-time information about your speed, distance, and battery life, allowing you to stay informed throughout your ride. The bike also features a durable frame that can withstand the rigors of off-road riding, ensuring that it will last for years to come. With its sleek design and powerful performance, the Pelini EP3 Plus is a top choice for any avid electric mountain biker. The Santa Cruz Heckler SL is a trailblazer in the world of electric mountain bikes. With its innovative design and state-of-the-art components, this bike offers a thrilling riding experience like no other. The Heckler SL is powered by a high-torque motor that delivers impressive acceleration and speed, allowing you to tackle even the most challenging trails with confidence. Its lightweight frame and responsive suspension system provide excellent maneuverability and control, making it a joy to ride on any terrain. One of the standout features of the Santa Cruz Heckler SL is its exceptional battery life. With its high-capacity battery, this bike can take you on epic off-road adventures without worrying about running out of power. The bike also features a user-friendly interface that allows you to customize your riding experience to suit your preferences. Whether you're looking for an adrenaline-filled downhill ride or a leisurely cruise through scenic trails, the Santa Cruz Heckler SL has got you covered. The Oria Rise M Limited is a game-changer in the world of electric mountain bikes. With its sleek design and cutting-edge technology, this bike offers a unique blend of performance and versatility. The Rise M Limited features a powerful motor that delivers exceptional speed and acceleration, allowing you to conquer any trail with ease. Its lightweight frame and responsive suspension system provide a smooth and comfortable ride, making it a top choice for both beginners and experienced riders. One of the standout features of the Oria Rise M Limited is its intelligent battery system. With its integrated power management system, this bike optimizes battery usage to ensure maximum efficiency and range. Whether you're looking for a bike to tackle rugged trails or explore scenic landscapes, the Oria Rise M Limited is a reliable companion that will never let you down. The SRAM Eagle Powertrain is a force to be reckoned with in the world of electric mountain bikes. With its exceptional power and precision, this bike offers an unparalleled riding experience for adrenaline junkies and thrill seekers alike. The Eagle Powertrain features a high-performance motor that delivers lightning-fast acceleration and speed, allowing you to conquer any trail with confidence. Its responsive suspension system and durable frame provide excellent control and stability, making it a joy to ride on any terrain. One of the standout features of the SRAM Eagle Powertrain is its advanced power management system. With its intelligent battery technology, this bike optimizes power usage to ensure maximum efficiency and range. The bike also features a user-friendly interface that allows you to customize your riding modes and monitor your battery life in real time. Whether you're a professional rider or a weekend warrior, the SRAM Eagle Powertrain is sure to take your off-road adventures to new heights. And finally, we have the Commensal Meta Power TR Ride, a true masterpiece in the world of electric mountain bikes. With its sleek design and exceptional performance, this bike sets a new standard for off-road adventures. The Meta Power TR Ride features a powerful motor that delivers impressive speed and torque, allowing you to conquer any trail with ease. Its responsive suspension system and sturdy frame provide excellent control and stability, making it a top choice for riders of all skill levels. One of the standout features of the Commensal Meta Power TR Ride is its versatile battery system. With its long-lasting battery, this bike ensures that you can enjoy extended rides without worrying about running out of power. The bike also features a user-friendly interface that allows you to customize your riding modes and monitor your battery life in real time. Whether you're tackling technical descents or exploring scenic trails, the Commensal Meta Power TR Ride is a reliable companion that will never disappoint. Electric mountain bikes have revolutionized the world of off-road adventures. With their powerful motors, long-lasting batteries, and advanced features, these bikes offer an unrivaled riding experience like no other. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the world of e-MTBs, these bikes offer an exhilarating ride through the great outdoors. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to channel for more exciting content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things biking.